Okay, good afternoon, class. So at this point, you guys had some homework for today. Okay, the homework was skill 9. This is, hang on. First skill 9 on page.
I was absent, so some to speak is not for that.
You're the one that asked for the homework yesterday.
No, sir. I wasn't here yesterday.
Yusra.
I was.
So tell me, did you watch the lesson last night? Online?
No.
Why not?
So I was like sleeping in bed the whole day. Because then I had like a headache after I went to the doctor.
Okay, but yesterday's lesson is online, so you could have just watched it. No? You know how to find it. Okay. Are you feeling better today? I think the maths is going to make you feel better. Sorry? Okay. It was on page 21, your homework, eh? 29, okay. So on page 29, you had to do skill 9. Okay. So skill 9, page 29. You had to do the odd numbers. So the first answer is 12. Okay. You had the whole 5 minutes to sort yourselves out. Why must I wait now? Huh? It looks like you didn't do your homework, no? Yes? You did. Okay, nice. I'm glad you did it. Okay? You did all. Nice. There will come a time and I'll check. I just don't want to be close to you guys now. Yeah? But later on, sometime in the term, I'll check and the recording. Yes?
I never said that everything.
It's fine. But you just mark the odd numbers. Please write in a pen, okay? Pen. Look like a pencil. Okay, please settle down. You guys ready? Yes, okay. So the first answer is 12, followed by 14. Sorry. Followed by 0. Then 35, 18. Number 11 is 41. Number 13 is 52. Listen. Number 15 is 47. Okay, listen. If the answer I'm giving you is wrong, it is fine. There will come a time that I ask you, is there any problems? Then you tell me, yes, number 50. But you can't go on like this. Okay? Number 17. It is 7, 17, 22, 32, 52 and 62. Is that correct? So is there any issues now with skill 9? Now you said it's number 50. Okay. So I'll do it on the board. Yes? Sorry? Okay, just let me get the document open quickly. Page 29. Page 29, number 15, eh? Right. Is there any other problems other than 15? No. Sorry? Number 9. Okay, so I'll do 9 and 15 now, okay? Okay, shh. So you sorted? Okay. So, so the question says, if the triangle is 6 and this diamond is 7, find the value of these. So number 15 was the issue. So, whenever I see a diamond, I put the 7. So it's 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3 multiplied by, the diamond is 7 plus 6 minus 2. Okay. So according to Bodmas, the brackets and multiplication we have. You got addition and subtraction. But the brackets need to be done first. Not so? So 2 times 7 is 14 plus 3 times. In the bracket you got 7 plus 6, which is 13 minus 2 is 11. I didn't need this bracket here, not so. But this 3 times 11 is 33. And 33 plus 14 will give you 47. And that's the answer I gave you. Not so? But you guys shouted like, I don't know what's wrong. So, where did you guys go wrong? Yes, Michael.
I went wrong by the first part.
The first step. Okay? So you understand we went wrong. Okay, anybody else? Yes, Michael?
By the, where it says 14 plus 3 times
14 plus 3 times 11. So you added this first?
11.
Yes. But according to Bodmas, what must be done first? Multiplication. So yeah, that's why that had to be done first. Anybody else? Yes, Michael?
So can you do number 11?
When I asked you, is there any issues now? You tell me. So I would have cut it one time. Okay, number 11. Number 11, we got 5 times the triangle, the diamond, which is 7. So it's 5 times 7 plus 6. There's multiplication and addition. So multiplication first. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 6 is 41. So where are you going wrong?
I took the wrong one. Instead of 6, I took 4.
Oh, okay. Any other problems? No. Alright. So what else did I give you for homework out of this textbook? Okay, so it's page 30. Number 1 and 2. Okay, number 30, 1 and 2. So, number theory extension. So number 1's answer is 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. Number 2. Should I give you number 2 as well? So A's answer is prime. Then you have to answer C. Not so? But did you have to do all? You just did all. For those of you who did all, mark all. For the rest of you did only the selective. For every alternate letter, you mark that. Okay, so you must listen now. So 2A is prime. B, composite. C, composite. D, prime. E, composite. F, prime. G, composite. H, composite. I, prime. J, composite. K, prime. L, prime. N, composite. N, composite. Any issues there? Did you have to, sorry? K. What did you have for K? And what was the answer? Did you have to do number 3 as well? No, sir. Your homework is? Just hang on. Sorry? No, the table, we pass the table. We pass that. Okay. So, Well, what is that, Michael, that you're moving up and down? So why did you take her page? So I want you guys to do for homework on page 30. You're going to do number 3, number 4, number 7, A and E, C. Number 8, A and C and E. A, C and E. 8, A, C and E. Okay. Is there any other homework from this textbook? No. Okay. Okay, so then we went on to Bodmas. Correct? Right. So in Bodmas you guys were doing book? Was that the homework? Book C? So we finished book B, worksheet 3. The even numbers. So it was book C, worksheet? Worksheet 3 of book? Okay, listen. Yes, Michael. Yes. We also did yesterday book B, worksheet 3, the even. Okay, just hang on. Have I answered book C, book B, worksheet 3? Even and odd. For homework? Yes, that's what I was understood to be. That is why I've appointed somebody to put it in the maths group. So I don't understand why are you people confused. So listen, if you're absent, then you can't give what the homework was. Doesn't make sense. Because right now you're shouting out all the wrong stuff and it's giving the others the opportunity to make just as much noise. So if you are absent, then you can't call out the homework that you done the day before. Doesn't make sense. And I don't like much chaos either. Right, book B. The even worksheet 3, the even numbers. Correct. Right. So the answer to number 2 is just okay, let me just put this on here. This is book B, worksheet 3, even numbers. So yesterday we did the odd numbers in our previous lesson. Okay. So the first answer is what? Sorry? 103. The next one? 77. The next one?
8.
Sorry? 8. The next one? 84. Now before we proceed, just hang on. Before we proceed, is there any problems with any of these 4 answers that we put on the board? Is there any problems with number 2? Did you have a problem with number 2, Mike? Okay, what did you have? Okay, how do you, that's completely wrong. How did you get that?
I multiplied 6 by 18.
6 by 18 and 6 times 18, remember we're coming back to Bodmas. 6 by 18 is? 486. Is that correct, people? You are already wrong. 18 times 6. 6 times 8 is 48. So that's 108. There's your mistake. You understand? So in other words, that should have been 108 minus 5, which is 103, which makes that correct. Any problems with number 4? Yes. Right, that girl at the back. Read your answer.
So I have 161.
That's correct. Right, so because of that, according to Bodmas, there's multiplication, there's division, and then multiplication. Thereafter, we got addition and subtraction. So at this point, we can multiply the terms first. So that's going to give you 120 minus 7 divided by 7 is 1 plus 6, 42. 120 minus 1 is 119 plus 42 is 161, which makes that incorrect. So the person who gave 77, who was the person who gave 77? Yes, who was it? Right, no problem. Well, how did you get 77?
I mixed up the Bodmas.
The Bodmas. What did you do first?
I did multiplication before division.
Okay, so what did you do? I'm just going to use a different kind. What was your first line? Read your first line you have.
The first line is 6 times 20 minus 1 plus 6 times 7.
So you got 1 there, yes? It is fine. It is wrong. I want to hear where she went wrong. Can you give her a chance to explain where she went wrong? So that she can learn. Is it okay? So don't be like that. Later on she doesn't want to give an answer again. Because why you are going on like that. I think it's unfair. Okay? Give her a chance. Yes, Michael.
And then I said 6 times 20 is 120.
Okay, so you got the 120 here, yes? But what did you get here?
42.
42, which is correct. Okay?
And then I said 120 minus 1 plus 42.
120 minus 1 plus 42, which is still correct.
And then I said 120 minus 43.
43 or 41? 14.
43.
14. That's your mistake. You see here, you did that part. So you did addition first according to Bodmas. But remember, what did I tell you? You can interchange addition and subtraction, and you can interchange multiplication and division to whatever comes first from the left. I know why you're doing that first. Because you want to do according to Bodmas, you want to do addition first. But it can interchange. You can do subtraction first. So 120 minus 1 is 119. Can you see that? Do you understand? And 119 plus 42 gives you 161. Okay. Just a step back here is that if you got negative 1 plus 42, remember this number is negative. So what is negative 1 plus 5? You guys didn't do negative numbers last time. It's wrong. Not positive 6. It's 4. You see here, this is a number line here. So you got negative 1 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 4. Now you see here, that is where this comes in here. Your misunderstanding is coming in here. So this is actually negative 1 first plus 42. So if you had gotten 120 minus 1 plus 42, that would have given you positive 41. And that's how you would have gotten 141 as the right, 161 as the right answer. You understand? But for now, don't think like it. Later on in term 2, when we do integers, Then I'll explain to you the number line and how it works. But for now, what do? We can interchange addition and subtraction, and we can interchange multiplication and division. To what? To whatever comes first from the left to the right. Okay. Any problems with number 6? Yes. Right. Who's saying that number 6 is wrong? Right. Go for it, Michael. What did you do first?
I said 12.
12 plus
12 because I said 3.
3 times 4, yes, is 12, yes. Divided by 2. Now what?
Then I said 24 divided by 2.
24 divided by 2. So you added this first.
Yes.
But according to Bodmas, what we have here? We have addition and division. Bodmas. We got addition and division. So what must be done first? Division. You understand where you're going wrong? So that had to be done first. So that would have been 12 plus 6. And what's 12 plus 6? 18. So we have an answer of 8. Where did you go wrong, Michael? You also added the okay. Anybody else that made a mistake? Yes, Michael?
I like 12 because
How did you get 12?
I do the
You also got 24.
because I do the addition first.
Yeah, you can't do the addition. Remember, you must apply Bodmas throughout. Yes, Michael? 30. How did you get 30?
So I plus 12 and then I divided.
Okay, wait. Why are you people not applying Bodmas? So what did you do first?
So I divided the
Okay, shh. Yes?
I divided the 2
By 4, yes. So you got 12 plus 3 times?
times 2.
Times 2, yes.
And then I added
The 12 and the 3. Why are you adding the 12 and the 3? What does Bodmas say? What do we have here? Multiplication and addition. So what must be done first? Multiplication. So this had to be done first. Then I would have gotten 12 plus 3 times 2 is 6. What's 12 plus 6? 18. Which makes this incorrect. 18 is the correct answer. If I got 18 here and I'm showing you here, it's 18 then. Definitely correct. Any other problems with regards to those 3 sums before I move on? You guys must watch these videos, no? And see where you went wrong. Make notes for yourselves. Where's your mask, Michael? Let's put it on. Okay. So for the next question, the answer that was given was 84. Okay. Is there any issues there with that side? Everybody got 84? No. Right. Read what you guys did. Your first step. What did you do?
I see 130.
Yes.
And then I see subtracted by 8 times 3.
8 times 3.
Oh! No, I think I answered 9 divided by 2. That's 18.
And you got 3. So there's your mistake. Okay. You see how easy it is for you to pick up your own mistake. It's basically 72 divided by 2. So it's going to be 120 minus 36, which I'm sure is 84. Okay, nice. One sum you guys got it right. Right, number 10, what's the answer to number 10? 43. Who got 43? Girlfriend, what did you get? Sorry?
Sir, because like we got the wrong homework, so we didn't make
Oh my word, yes. Are you not in the maths group? Huh? So didn't you check the homework? Huh? Did you put the wrong homework in the group? So you weren't here yesterday?
Zara wasn't here, she was absent.
Oh, you weren't here?
No, Zara.
Who's Zara?
The person who
The person who types the homework in the group was absent yesterday. Don't you do it? What's your name? Who's Zara? Okay. So Zara puts the homework in the group. Not you. So why did you tell me Zara was absent? She puts the homework in the group. You're so all confused. Okay, listen. You guys must sort it out yourselves. But Blessing is the one who puts it in the group. Okay. Okay. So for number 10, you all agree 43 is correct? Yes. Then you have to do Book C, Worksheet 1. Even numbers. Right. Okay, and also if you're absent, no? The homework is posted in the group. So, if you're absent and you have time, do the homework. And for every lesson you missed, the lesson is online as well. Okay? So all the lessons from grade 8 to 12 is online. So next year when you grade 9, you can just go to the grade 9 lesson. You can even watch a lesson from next year. The lesson before is being taught to you the next day. You can watch it like that as well. So the end of this year, I would have recorded all the whole syllabus of all the grades. So, okay. I started last year, September. Okay. So all these videos, but make use of it. It's free. Okay. Yeah, as long as your face is not in it. Yeah, you don't hear much the voice. If one of your parents want to donate not a camera, a microphone, the microphone that is needed where you can actually hear your voices as well, is 1,300. So listen, relax. So if you feel that your mother wants to, your father wants to donate, by all means. Can you give 1,400? We can give the receipt once we have purchased the. No, basically it's something that gets put on the desk here. So my voice will be clearer and your voices will be much clearer. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. It's a specialized microphone. Yeah, it's a round thing. Yeah. But it cuts out all the unnecessary and clarifies the voices. Yeah. So if you feel that your parent can give 1,300, or two of you want to club together, it's also fine. But I don't have. I'm a teacher, man. So we don't have surplus money lying around. Fun. Listen, I have no time. I only have time for maths. I don't have time. Okay, but anyway, listen. The even numbers, worksheet 1, book C. Even numbers. Right. What's the first 4 answers? 7, yes. 1, yes. 5, yes. 80. The last one? 35. Okay. No problem. Let's see. First problem. Any problems with number 2? Everybody's fine with number 2. Right. Number 4. No problem. Girlfriend, sit properly there at the back. Number 6. Any issues there? No? Number 8? So this was an easy worksheet. Okay, problem with number 8. Yes, what's the issue? What do you have? 1. Let's check. I just told you now, earlier. If somebody gives an answer, allow them to give it. It's fine. Right, so what did you have, Michael?
Oh, I did the wrong thing.
It's going to be a long year. Yes. 40, right. Is that the number 8? Yes. Nice. How did you get 40?
80 divided by 2.
That is 80, yes, nice. Divided by 4 minus 2. Is that what you have, no? Right? So what did you do next? 80 divided by 4 is?
So I just did 80 divided by 2.
Oh, so what you did was, you multiplied and you subtracted that. Understand? But according to Bodmas, what must be done? Division had to be done first. So if you do the division first, then it's going to be 20 minus 2, which is 80. You understand your mistake, Michael? Right? People number 10. The first answer to number 10. 10. Sorry. The number 10's answer is 10. 12 is? 2. 14. 13.
No, sir,
13.
30.
And 16?
84.
84. Okay, any problems with number 10? Let's go at the back. Yes?
No, sorry, wrong.
Wrong. No problems with number 10? Right. Number 12? No. Number 14? Who says yes? Right, what do you have? The girl at the back?
480.
Right, how do you get that?
I first divided 100 by 5.
100 by 5, which is correct, gives you 20. Times 6 divided by 4.
And then I divided 6 by 4. Wait.
But what did I say according to Bodmas? Multiplication and division is going to interchange. Whatever is coming from left to right, you got multiplication first. So that's going to give you 120 divided by 4, which is 30, which makes that correct. Verstaan jy? Right. Anybody else got number 14 wrong? Yes. What did you have? Sorry?
45.
How did you get 45?
I did the sum.
You understand where you went wrong? Where did you go wrong?
I went instead of times, I divided.
Okay, so you multiplied instead of divided. Okay? So your answer is fairly huge. But a big answer. People, any other problems with number 14? Yes, Michael?
For 20 times 6, I added an extra 0 on the
20 times 6, so you got 1,200.
Yeah, that's why I have 300.
Oh. The extra 0. You mustn't work in the bank, no? Otherwise we're going to give people extra. But, now imagine you owe the bank $1 million and she put the extra 0 there.
No.
And you still think she should have put.
No, it's fine.
No.
Okay, no, it's fine. But you understand where we went wrong, no? Nice. Okay, anybody else with number 14? Let's look at number 16. Any issues there? Everybody got 84? Okay. Number 18? Sorry? 3. Okay, relax. What is wrong with you people? Yes, Michael.
I've got 100.
Alright, tell me about it. How did you get that?
I said 56 times.
56, that's a 72.
No! For the second time, it's 56
56
times.
times 2. Is this for number 18?
I need to write.
Okay, sorry about that. Let's just go down. Sorry about that. Yes, you were saying? So, the girl that says 56, where did you get 56 from?
I don't know, sir. I think I got the sum wrong.
Okay. Anybody else with regards to number 18? Yes, Michael?
I got 65.
65. Okay. So tell me about, how did you get 65?
So I divided 72.
By 2.
Yes.
So 72 divided by 2, 2 goes to 7 3 times, carry 1. So it's 36. Do you have 36 there? No, bless you. You don't. That's your mistake. Okay.
66.
But 72 divided by 2 is not 66. Okay. Anybody else that got number 18 wrong that got 36 in the first case?
I also got the same answer, 69.
Okay, so you copied it. Okay, nice. Okay, so 3 is incorrect. You all agree with that? Okay. So now we're on worksheet 2, book C. Do the odd numbers for me quickly. Book C, worksheet 2. Quickly, no? Okay, shh.
So what should two books see?
You guys are writing your first maths piece on the 15th of February. Okay? Okay, listen, this is not the time now to discuss if you can wait or not. It's the time for you to do your work. Okay? If you don't mind, please do your work. Yes? So it'll be 2 hours, 1 hour, 50 marks. 50 marks is one, like, but it's out of.
So the duration of the test.
1 hour, and you're writing for that 1 hour, the test is out of 50. Yes?
Is the sheet based on Bodmas?
It's based on everything we've done.
If you done past one.
Yeah. Like out of this red book, preparing for high school maths, as well as Bodmas. So everything we've done at that point is going to be tested on, okay? But close to the time, we'll tell you exactly where we're cutting off, okay? So I'm going to give you 5 minutes. I'm going to pause this video so long. So at this point, most of you are done. Let's look at number 1. What's your answer to number 1? 15. You all agree with that? Any confusion there? 15. Okay, no problem. You all agree with that? Right, number 2. 3, sorry. 125. You all agree with that? Right, number 5. 7. Well, you've got something else. What do you have? 14. How do you get 14? 7 is correct. How do you get 14?
Okay,
Why are you
I
laughing?
calculate to draw with the division.
You calculated wrong. We understand we went wrong. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, my girl.
I said 15.
15. How do you get 15? Say 441 divided by 3. Because 1 carry 1. 12 is 4. Carry 1. No, carry 2. 7. So that's 147 divided by 21. So So 147. Okay, 21 multiplied by 4 or 7. Yeah. That's going to give you 147. That's going to give you, that's why it's 7. It's correct. Okay, where did you go wrong?
When I was
Dividing wrong. People, the next answer? 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. But you must show your steps, no? These steps must be shown. So they're going to get part marks for your work. The next one, number 9. 20. All agree with that? Any confusion there? Who got a different answer? You all got 20. Okay, so I'll leave it as 20. The next one? You got 48. Okay, no problem. So you had to do, what did you do first? Did you read your first line there, Michael? 24 times 2. So you divided that and you subtracted that. Not so? Which is?
28 minus 4.
Close your mouth. When you yawn. Yes?
I said 28 minus 4.
But now, according, listen, for every sum I want you to write this stuff, Bodmas. And then you see. So yeah, that's wrong. Because according to Bodmas, you got multiplication, you got division, and you got subtraction. So what must be done first? Division or the multiplication. So if I do this first, it's going to be 28 minus 24 divided by 3. Can you see that? So now what must be done? The division. So 28 minus 24 divided by 3? 8. And 28 minus 8? 20. You see how you're messing up? Okay. Make it a habit of writing that Bodmas if you're messing up that Bodmas all the time. Okay. Let's look at number 11. So Bodmas. So it's going to be 16 minus 8 minus 12 divided by 3. So what must be done now? Division. So it's 16 minus 8 minus 4. That's going to give you 8.
Your attention, please.
4. Who got 4?
The following learners can
Nice.
please come to the office for a collection.
The next one?
Liaka Masisa,
Sorry?
Vicona Gentile, Kiara Johnson, and Sinobuyoto File.
Not
Poetry
95.
Society will meet
Who
in
got
room
101?
56 now during break.
Nice.
Poetry Society will meet in room 56 now during the break. Then I have the grade 8 RCL nomination forms. It's available at the office. Only for grade 8, RCL nomination forms are available at the office. Thank you.
Okay. Again, you guys are messing up this. Remember I said earlier on? It's going to be negative 2 plus 3. Negative 2 on this number line, plus 3. 1, 2, 3 is 1. But you guys are seeing that as minus 5. You see the common made mistake here? You are seeing this as minus 5 here. That's why you're getting 95. It's actually 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2 is? 98. Plus 3 is? 101. You guys understand? So that, looking at Bodmas, you can interchange those two. Okay. Just give me a minute, you can wrap this up quickly. Look at your homework now. Okay, so what must be done first here in number 15? What's your answer here? 3. Who got 3? You're all okay with 3, no? Number 17? 5. Who got 5? What did you get? Okay, yes, what did you get? No problem. So, it's going to be 2 plus 8 minus 5. 2 plus 8 is 10 minus 5 is 5. The next one? There's going to be 10 divided by 2, which is? Okay. So for homework, I would like you guys to do even numbers of Book C, Worksheet 2. Book C, Worksheet 2. Okay. People enjoy the rest of your day. Good afternoon, class.